Alrighty, so I have the tapatio with me here. And first things first, okay, see, this is what it looks like. This is the extra spicy one. Ramen noodle soup. Okay, so now let's see what it comes with. So you open it up and there's no tastemaker whatsoever in it, okay? It's just noodles with all the spices and the dehydrated vegetables. And that's it. So it's extremely simple. If you watch my previous videos, they were like tastemakers inside of it. There were like dehydrated vegetables in a different packet or like a sauce in a different packet, but this is all clubbed into one. There's nothing to do. So it's ideal if you're a student or if you are a working individual and you're super busy in your schedule, you don't really have much time, you don't really have much of a lunch break, maybe just half an hour and you're running errands at the same time, or you're doing other things and then you just have about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to eat. This one is ideal, these pot noodles, okay? So let's quickly start. So first things first, if you watch my previous videos, all I do is I don't put this stuff in the microwave because I don't know, I just don't prefer using a microwave for this stuff. So what I prefer doing is boiling water, okay? So I have a kettle and I have just boiled water and I'm gonna boil the water and I'm gonna use this boiled water, and the fill level, just so you know, the fill level is usually an inch above the noodles. Always half an inch to an inch. If you like your noodles soupy, an inch. If you don't like your noodles soupy, then half an inch or less. Okay, but it has to cover these noodles, okay? That's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, all these vegetables, look at that. Look at all those vegetables, all dehydrated vegetables. Once I add this hot water to it, they're gonna become like hydrated. Okay, so hot water goes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, if you notice, I haven't taken this off completely, right? I haven't taken this lid off. There was a reason. What I like doing is keep it for 4 minutes, okay? 4 minutes, and just kind of like seal this lid. What I do is I use this fork, okay? And I just place it over here on top of it for 4 minutes and then just let it sit and have a nice conversation. That's all you gotta do. Just be probably at your cafeteria. If you're at work, you can be in the office kitchen or in the canteen and just having a conversation with your friends or your colleagues. So that's pretty much it. It wraps up and in 4 minutes, it's ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one.